Hello everybody, Joel here again for BVN Realty. We're at beautiful Casa Roja. We're about 4 kilometers away from Playa Hermosa. Come join me and we walk through this amazing property. One of the cool things about this property is that it is extremely landscaped. You're going to see some amazing flora and fauna. We're walking through the large gates. There's so many outbuildings here. This is going to be a great video. You're going to love this place. So, as I mentioned, really nice flora and fauna. We've got the first outbuilding that we're going to see here. This is a garage slash residence for the caretaker. So we have a resident caretaker here that looks after the property, does an amazing job, and this is where this person lives. But it can be converted into a garage as well, quite easily. This is where the solar panels are stored and the batteries. Let's go to our first outbuilding. I call this kind of like a little tree house because if you can see, it's all built using the stumps of the tree. It's got a beautifully thatched roof, and inside we've got our very own washroom. In the washroom, of course, we've got the stand-up shower, flushing, toilet, sink, and we've got a queen-size bed. But what's incredible about this area is it's all open. So if you don't mind a few mosquitoes from time to time, you're going to get a nice breeze. We've got a view of the pool, and of course, the Pacific Ocean is just beyond the horizon. All right, follow me and we'll go back down and we're going to look at a couple of bedrooms. This is a unique property where most of the bedrooms are separate. So you've got a lot of privacy. So if you're entertaining guests, you could entertain family members. You could even host a small retreat here if you really wanted to. There's plenty of room on the deck. We've got an outdoor dining table. Nice little area to sit and enjoy the Pacific Ocean. Let's go down and have a look at the bedrooms. Lots of potential here. This room is not currently being used as a bedroom, it's just used for storage, but you definitely could have a bedroom here, and it's got its own deck off of the back. We've got a shared washroom with a walk-in shower, beautiful granite countertops, nice tiling. We'll go check out the second bedroom. This one has a king-size bed, and it's got a wardrobe. And again, it's got a beautiful view. It's got another day bed, so if you have a small child, you can have your child in here with you. Nice big vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, just a beautiful room. We'll go down over here. And, I don't know if you can capture it from the video or not, but even as we walk down into the other terraces, we've got amazing landscape down by the steps. Over to my left, we've got a beautiful coconut tree over here. We're at the bottom end of the pool. And again, we've got, just amazing flora and fauna. All the amazing trees, shrubs, just gorgeous. Underneath this unit, there's also a little bit of storage as well. So, there is storage on site, which is good for all your possessions, of course. We'll go through another cool gate, and we've got another king-size bed in this bedroom. 4-post bed, very, very well furnished. We've got another little lounging area, nice, vaulted ceiling. This unit comes with its, this particular one has a double sink. We've got a very, very large shower area. Boy, oh boy. It's got a walk-in closet. Of course, it's got the toilet over here. Double sinks is really nice, so his and her sink. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's almost like its own little unit, of course. You got a television in here, Wi-Fi access on the property. We'll go through the other entrance, and we're going to go up to the main house now. In the main house is where the kitchen is, so we're going to follow that. Come with me. Again, I don't know if you can see it, but we've got some gorgeous, gorgeous plants. Amazing flowers. We've got a little gully over here that's all landscaped and trimmed. The gardener that lives on the premises does an absolutely amazing job. So here we are at the main house. We've got the nice thatched roof. Provides plenty of shade. Over to my left, we've got a beautiful pool. It's actually a fairly deep pool. So you could, some of the pools are, they are, just wading pools. But this one you can really kind of dive in and get yourself nice and wet. But also a nice little area that, of course, if you wanted to, host a retreat here or some yoga, have some private clients here, you could definitely entertain them or have their yoga mats out on the deck. So let's walk through into the main lounge area. We've got a little table here, of course. We've got a nice couch, room to entertain, very, very tall ceilings. We've got great ceiling fans to keep us cool. We've got another lounging area over here. All kinds of room to entertain your guests. Let's go into the kitchen. In the kitchen, of course, we've got, amazing cupboards. We've got a 6-burner stove. We've got a full-size refrigerator. All kinds of cabinetry. Really nice granite counters. There's also a washroom here as well, of course. Just a little 2-piece washroom. So what's unique about this house is, it's got some amazing space. There's, the areas where people are going to sleep are completely separate. So if you really wanted your own peace and quiet, it'd be absolutely amazing. Let's go this way and we'll just go back to the entrance. There's so many amazing things about this property. When we shoot the next little video, of course, we're going to ask Bastien and myself and Diego a little bit more about this property and share some more information. So thanks for looking at this property. We're going to have a lot more details to share in the text following. But what I just wanted to end with is we're only 4 kilometers from Playa Hermosa. The paved road to get here is it's a very, very good road. We're only about maybe about a 20-minute drive from San Juan del Sur. So stay tuned for more details, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Hi again. We've got the team here, and we just wanted to talk a little bit about the property. We all have, amazing things that we see in this property. So I'll start off, and I'll say that this place is huge potential for small retreats. So, a lot of retreats, are happening down in Central America. And, this is a great spot where you could not only host your retreat, but the guests that are staying with you for the retreat can have their own private space. And I think for me, that's one of the cool spots here.
Yeah, what I like myself is the location. We are in front of Playa Hermosa. It's one of the nicest beaches you can find probably all over the world, but in Nicaragua, of course. Probably in the top 10 of the nicest beach in Nicaragua. It's also a great surf spot. We are only at 10 minutes from San Juan del Sur on the south. Very near the future coastal roads. We will join San Juan del Sur to the border with Costa Rica, joining Liberia to San Juan del Sur. So it's an amazing location. It's safe. We have the paved road at less than 500 meters from our house. The access is very correct, even on dirt road, all year. We are today in winter, in raining season, and we have been able to access with a small car, and it was totally fine. So this is very important for the customers. I would say retreats, yes. Accessibility, yes, and close to town is also very important.
Yes, of course. And Diego, what's your favorite part about this property?
It's a lovely architectural masterpiece. The integration between the Nica style property and the colonial architecture is astonishing, mixing the past and the future of Nicaragua in a beautiful landscape with a lot of flowers, different species representing the richness of this country, and with a mind-blowing view of the Costa Rica border and the Salinas Bay. It's lovely how they were able to integrate what Nicaragua means for a lot of us.
Yeah. And I'll just kind of finish off and say, it's very close to town. It's not that far away. It's easily accessible. The roads are very good here, and it would be a pleasure to show this property to anybody. And it's I think the value of this property is going to really show well when we reveal some more details. So thanks for watching our video. The team is here again, and we'll see you on our next video.